My name is Stephanie Fletcher, and I'm the IT Help Desk Support Manager for the EGC, the EWIE Group of Companies in Michigan and worldwide. So we're a worldwide distribution company. We use ServiceDesk Plus, we use ADManager Plus, and Audit Plus. I would recommend them definitely. For the ServiceDesk Plus, it helps us to get our end users to be able to get a hold of us, to be able to organize ourselves into new hires and getting tickets done. And if there's a problem, we can generally see where the issue is. And if there's a big problem, I can dive in and see what the actual issue is and get everybody else involved that needs to get involved in a timely manner. So it's a good place to keep everything in one spot to be able to get our tickets done and solved. In the ADManager, I'm able to run reports on if they have pictures in Active Directory, if they're able to if they're locked out, if they're missing some attributes in their Active Directory profile, I'm able to run a report to see who's missing what, and I can get it all in one spot, and I can build the reports to do whatever I need for them to look like. I can add, remove columns, and I can do things like that. So I use that tool all the time for my job to make sure our Active Directory looks top-notch, looks solid. So I have to look at what users are disabled, when they change their passwords last, and things like that. So that lets me keep my metrics together of if I'm missing any people that need to get disabled, or if they need to change their password again, or they're having any issues. So we've been using the ServiceDesk, the ADManager Plus, and the AD Audit Plus for 5 years. Their screens are organized in a way that's easy enough for configuration for my company to configure it the way that they need it to be, because I work in an environment that's not necessarily the most standard company to work for, and I have to support 5 different companies with very different things that each company does. So it's easy enough to configure the software to work with what we need it to.